Sungguh media friends ono hambai niro sungno zora ramani bagai sung tini TSF nenggai sung press meet asung man kom haisi tini ang sakfang hamala jamatia General Secretary Tipra Federation te an lagotongo ane President Mr. Samrat te Joint Secretary Mr. Renu te Town and College Committee ni Vice President Mr. Monish. Sung tuni press meet kami kom haisi talsa sekang sung TSF nenggai sung 12-hour statewide sung strike up public rongni support hamjakma the various student organization social organization is support by sin is a movement 12 hours bagai success boni bagai sangon sini hamjakma te khak hamsang yafar te media ronobu sung hambaya fur tani homale nirok sung no coverage khai sini je movement no hasse ganang nirok phunungman bagai nirok na hambai jung sini strike jung successful nang kanai jung wasong naga government of state Tripura borok taksu jora sono respond mung saroya jung main ismi sini movement roman script na toi jung sengjagai family takla jung sini division wise sini railing thing teboni poroke jung governor no jung memorandum yafarka haifan government rock sini khorang khanain bagai sung banung khaje 12-hour strike sung call khagani talsa sakam 28 August government rock almost sithai sini movement sini khorang no khanayang ke sung buskang salo tebe sini movement kota no khana nei sung decision laijak tongo sung government no bar appeal khai haifan borok taksu jora khanaya orok kabangma student organization social organization borok sono support khaike haifan government takon sring omo sini native indigenous people ni sini movement ya this is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community brothers and sisters to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language because you all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andalon. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate at this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andalan. So we the native indigenous people also, to preserve our language, we are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of Tipra and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demand neglected? We question the government of India and government of Tripura. Boni bagai, sung appeal khay government no. Sini je demand no. Seriously, seri nai gani bagai. Sung sring tonglak, sung talsa sekang sini movement, sung 12-hour strike, simi dakoka. Bus kang salo, sung khakai ge. Sini tebu coba kotor, unai hunai. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings, NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tripura or Northeast state? For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tripura and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again. Secondly, Sungnuka Salkisa Sakang Tipra Motha Borok 30 of September 12 hours ni bagai strike dak pokmani. Sung TSF ketuk mas hal rongoi jeng sung the regional party ni support amana sung samung khai fight for the greater interest of the people. Boni bagai sung TSF Khanani strike 12 hours ni bagai je Tipra Motha bai ringjang mani no sung amana support khai gnai sung tini saklayo. Boni bagai sung Tipra hasini lukurno bukoinai all movement no success khai ni bagai niro ni participate niro ni hamjang man niro ni support nang. Boni bagai sung oman appeal khainai as we are very peace loving people sung peaceful ni sung movement no sung carry on ma khainai. Boni bagai sung TSF sung khanani je 12 hour strike Tipra Motha bai ringjang mani no sung support khai.
Support kaya na physically na moral.
Si sung to sung je mansak sung sini pantong sa sung support khai ne sung om dai ke sung decisional like.
Main speaking logo no nubi jaman no ha support jehetu khai dum.
Nai je tabok picketing on nunga je nugi amoto khana nuglai sinai ha bahaying no boni bagi happen sung sini full support sung khana ni strike no sung support khai.